Today I'm doing something I really don't want to do, and that's motocross. Maxstoke Motocross track. Looks like a fairly decent track, not too busy. Using one of my son's bikes today that I've not really ever ridden. I've just rebuilt piston, new cylinder head, titanium valves. So yeah, it's just a case of testing it out, make sure it's all good. It's going to feel really alien to me. Going around a track again and again and again doesn't seem like my idea of fun, but I'll give it a go. Since my lad's been coming to enduro days with me, I'll give this a go. Let's get to it. There we go. This is my lad's KTM 250 4-stroke. Let's see how it handles today. So I can't do motocross for shit. Can't do enduro for shit, to be honest. I'm going to be the slowest one on the track here, 100%. Oh, here we go. Not looking forward to this. Oh, it's broke. What's happened? Oh no, that's not good. We have to come off track. I think you're broken already. It's already done a couple of laps of Elliot on it. It's been using both bikes. You'll never guess what happened. Alright, let's try again. Got some fuel this time. There we go. Oh, he stalled it. Oh yeah, boy. Got a bit of air. And again. Oh yeah. Had it, dummy, obviously. Bit too much front. Hey, put too much front brake again. Oh, I'm going to go for a couple more laps and I'm done. I'm cooked. Get a bit of speed. Oh yeah, fuck me. Yes. me. It's these lumps, I don't know how to really ride these. Terrible. Oh, we've had an off. Oh, I cleared it. That's me done for the day. Managed to get quite a lot of laps in. Managed to clear one jump, which I think is pretty good for me. Happy with that. Elliot's just gone out on his KTM now. It's odd, he seems way more comfortable on this 254 stroke than he does on the 1252 stroke. I don't know if it's because of engine braking or just the general linear power of it. It's not pushing it yet. Here it comes. Tomorrow we're at Mick Excellence again for another bring your own bike day. So he can come and do some enduro as soon as I've come and done some motocross. I would say for him to bring the KTM, but in the forest, you know, in the slow moving technical stuff, I think that thing would overheat, to be honest. It's got no fan on it. I think you can get fan kits for him, which I may do, but it is a motocross bike after all, so probably not. I just need to buy him an enduro bike really, or give him my 250 and I get a Stark. There we go, Maxstoke MX. Had a really good day actually. I'm not really a motocross guy. Like I say, I like enduro, but you know, I learned a few bits off people here today, give me a few tips. Everyone's very friendly. I'll leave a link in the description for the Facebook page.